Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hijiki no Nimono. It's very classic Japanese side dish. If you've been to Japan, you may have tried this because this is often one of the many dishes at buffet style breakfast. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this Hijiki no Nimono, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 40 gram dried Hijiki seaweed, 150 gram cooked soybeans, aburage deep fried tofu, there are 5 but I'm using just 1, some carrot, 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, mirin and sake. At first, I'm going to rehydrate Hijiki seaweed by following the instruction on the package. It says I just need to soak it in cold water for 15 minutes, so I'm going to do that. And Hijiki seaweed is small bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it expands. So make sure to prepare plenty of water. So let's just put Hijiki seaweed in this water and leave for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the other ingredients. So carrot, I'm going to use half of this. Cut the top off, peel the skin, and I'm making it into thin strips like a match. So make diagonal slices first. Then into strips. Like a match. Then aburage deep fried tofu. As I said, I'm using just 1, but let's cut them all and freeze. Prepare kitchen paper and put aburage like this and press it down. To remove excess oil. Let's do the same for the other 2. Cut them into half long way, then slice thinly. Let's take some for the dish today, and the rest in the freezer bag. Push out the air as much as possible and just freeze. And you can use this next time when you want to make this Hijiki no Nimono, or you can use it for miso soup. It's been 15 minutes and Hijiki seaweed is completely rehydrated. But let's drain it. Just drain in the strainer and rinse. Then into the pot. Carrot and aburage, cooked soybeans, and all the seasonings. 2 teaspoons of hondashi, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake, and 1 cup of water. Put the lid on and simmer over medium heat. Cook for about 10 minutes. Give it a mix and keep cooking with the lid off this time. cooked it for 10-15 minutes with the lid off. When I look at the bottom of the pot, there is only a little amount of broth left and I can almost see the bottom of the pot. So it's done. Serve it in the bowl. And Hijiki no Nimono is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The balance of saltiness and sweetness is just perfect. It's a comfort food for many Japanese people and I have to have this dish once in a while. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Hijiki no Nimono is a side dish, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I normally have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and vegetable miso soup here. Hijiki no Nimono has strong soy sauce flavor, so let's have something that is not too soy saucy for the main dish. So how about karaage Japanese fried chicken? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!